Okay, hi. I'm Pierre Escobas from Rivera Macro. So this is going to be a little vlog that we're going to do on a regular basis now. And I'll speak about what I do and the different things I tinker with or what I see or what I experiment with. Okay, so we're in my garage, and this is a place where I spend a lot of time building stuff and doing a lot of DIY stuff like this, little things that I use for my macro experiments. So today I'm going to show you this, which I made as a support to my smartphone to be able to film more stably. This is made just from recycled parts. So in the garage I have behind me a little treasure cavern. It's filled with stuff like this, or this, tools, etc. Very useful stuff from the hardware store. So that's how I made this. This is simply what do you call that? I don't know. Metal piece fit with holes that you buy from the hardware store to join pieces of wood and stuff like that. Okay, so pre-made holes. The two handles are actually from a jumping rope which I bought in the yard sale. We go to the flea market often, or we did before the COVID-19 pandemic. A couple of screws, plenty of screws here. Lots of screws, lots of things here, and I probably had to sort of make the holes a bit bigger, and that's it. Okay, this it's a flash, a cold shoe, which fits the adapter. Well, it's lost already. I also got from Amazon, which is a holder for the smartphone. So 1/4-inch screw, and I need to get my phone now. Alright, so phone, adapter, should fit like this. That's it, and I can put the microphone also here. That's it, and I can use it with my GoPro too. I just do this. I need some spacers here, and okay, that's it. I can use the GoPro too, and even put the microphone with the microphone adapter on the GoPro. So it'll make my footage even more stable, also with the action cam. Just make it simple. Okay, see you for the next episode.